Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best foam rollers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics High Density Foam Roller. The foam roller is made of high-quality, durable material that provides just the right amount of firmness and support for my muscles. It effectively targets tightness and knots, helping to relieve tension and improve flexibility. I appreciate the compact size of this foam roller, making it easy to take with me to the gym or when traveling. The textured surface provides a deep tissue massage-like experience, leaving my muscles feeling rejuvenated and relaxed. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rollga Foam Roller. The best back exercises can certainly leave you sore, but people tend to avoid foam rolling their upper back for one of two reasons: uncomfortable pressure on the spine, or an overly intense massage of those sensitive muscles. Enter the Rollga Roller. GGR editor and product tester Ben Eminger, CSNC, awards the Rollga a 4 out of 5 score for surface texture and design, saying, "What wins me over here is the ergonomic contours." Not only do they serve as a great guide-rail system for my spine, but they also offer multiple deep tissue points that can be ideal for targeting calves or hips. At number 3, we have the Therabody WaveRoller. ROM, the makers of the Theragun massage gun, the Therabody WaveRoller packages vibration therapy and self-myofascial release into one tool. It also connects to the Therabody app, where you can adjust vibration settings and follow guided routines tailored to different muscle groups and recovery goals. I tried it, and while I'm skeptical of the effectiveness of the vibration element, specifically, I give it a 4 out of 5 for performance. While a basic roller can absolutely get the job done for far less money, the WaveRoller delivers more features than many competitors, including 5 speed settings and travel-friendly accessories. At number 2, we have the Chirp Wheel Plus Foot Roller. The Chirp Wheel Plus Foot Roller is a compact, budget-friendly recovery tool that delivers serious pressure for tired, beat-up feet. It's a great gift for runners. At just $20, I give it a 5 out of 5 for value. I think it's especially well-suited for runners, nurses, retail and restaurant workers, or anyone who spends long hours on their feet that wants targeted, deep tissue relief at home from a tool that's easy to use. And finally, at number 1, we have the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0. The TriggerPoint Grid 1.0, 13 inches, is a classic, no-frills foam roller that nails performance, even if it's pricier than some basic options. I give it a 5 out of 5 for performance, because it delivers consistent, effective pressure for full-body rolling and feels like the gold standard for what a traditional foam roller should be. There's a reason these rollers are ubiquitous in gyms all over. This is one of the best TriggerPoint rollers. It's the second one I've owned. I had to leave my first one in Mexico. Well-constructed, a lifesaver for your back. Start on carpet and work your way to hard floor rolling. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.